This video is sponsored by Skillshare. I thought this was a dead run, but actually here they are. Here they are. They just came close now and this is so nice. I found that March is a really hard month to photograph birds. I've been out so many times and I haven't made a single photo since the grey heron. So I've tried so many times in many different places, but I haven't get a single picture. So I'm now at the coast and trying to photograph waterfowls. I've seen some eiders a little bit far out and also some red-breasted mergansers. But as soon as I walked down the shoreline here, they were swimming further out. So my plan is just to wait it out, stay at this place here until the sun sets, and hopefully we'll get some pictures. So let's hope. I thought this was a dead run, but actually here they are. Here they are. They just came close now and this is so nice. So my ISO is around 800. So I get a little bit shutter speed in case they do some wing flap. So I just changed from the D500 to the D4S because I just had the common eider really close. So I was using this, but now some oyster catchers has landed. They are like 20 meters from me, so I'm thinking about maybe going back to the D500. I see some other scooters and all kinds of really nice waterfowls. If I'm lucky, they will come close to shore. But I think I need a D500 to be able to have a chance to get close enough. Here they come. Here they come. a great time with the Combinator, and yeah, this was really nice. The sun has dipped behind me and started to come some clouds in, and the light has like disappeared, so I'm going to pack up. I cannot leave, I cannot leave. They're starting to come in now. They started to come in now. Nice, nice. Oh, that was good. That was really, really good. I'm glad I didn't go home. Huh. Skillshare is an online learning community. It has a large library where you can learn a lot of new skills, all from photography, videography, languages, cooking, and yeah, all you can think of. So here's the course I'm taking at the moment. This is Daniel Scott talking about Adobe Photoshop CC, and he's really great explaining things in an understandable way. So there is a lot to learn in Photoshop, and this is a good way to like going through from beginners to advanced. Compared to other learning communities online, Skillshare is not expensive with less than $10 per month, and you get access to all premium material. So go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. The first 1,000 people to use the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. And once again, I will thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video.